Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create a resume on Indeed Jobs. I wonder why you want to know how to create a resume on Indeed Jobs. Maybe because you're a person who is looking for a job, so you want to create a resume with the help of Indeed Jobs so that you could find the best jobs possible on this app, or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create resume on Indeed Jobs. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Indeed Jobs, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top and at the bottom of the screen. So here you have to click on these three lines. Once you click onto these three lines, there you will see different options. So from all these options, you have to click on profile, which is this one. Just simply click on profile, and there you will see two options. First one is to upload resume, and the second one is to create a resume with the help of Indeed Jobs. So here you have to click this second option. With the help of that, you could create your resume. Once you tap on it, first you have to enter your first name and last name, or you could see your family name. Family name is as same as your surname or your second or last name. Once you're done with this, just simply click on continue, and after that, here you have to add your contact number. Make sure you enter your correct number, because if you enter a wrong one, it will not allow you to get jobs on this app. So here you have to keep that in mind. After that, you have to enter your location, like you have to enter your country, your address, like where you live, and all this information. Once you have added all this information, just simply click on continue, and then you will get to the next step. Once you get to the next step, there you will see other options, like you have to add your education. You have to add your education and all these things, when you completed, from where you graduated, and which country from where you graduated. Or you could skip this option and later on you can upload it. It's all up to you. After that, you have to add your work experience, like how many experience of years you have, where did you work, from which year to which year, as what, as on which position you have worked on. You have to enter all these information, and after that you have to enter your skills. There are a lot of options of skills available. You just have to keep selecting whatever the skills you have, and once you have selected it, just simply click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to the next step, where if you have done any certification, you could add it. Otherwise, you can just simply click on continue if you don't have one. Then you have to go through all the information that you have just added as in your resume, and if you find no mistake, then just simply click on continue. Once you click on it, there you have to choose that if you want to make your CV or resume public or private. So it's all up to you, may private it or public it. Then click on continue, and after that your resume will be ready, and you could apply to jobs with the same resume. So this was the easiest way I know through which you could create resume on Indeed Jobs. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.